Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm not in my usual spot for hauls, but I figured I'd switch it up a little bit, why not? I went into Primark a couple of days ago and did a bit of a summer homeware shop and picked up a few bits, but first I'll show you everything that Primark has in this year for summer. I'm actually pretty impressed with the things that they have in this year actually. I feel like every year they get better and better, and honestly I don't usually decorate for summer other than like having flowers out around the place. I don't usually put like summer decor out. However, I did see a few bits and thought, put that in the basket, why not? So I'll show you everything that they have in this year and then I'll show you the bits that I picked up. Okay, so firstly I'll start with this linen cabana scented candle. Oh, it smells amazing. I know I say that about a lot of scents, but I am someone who is very sensory with smells. I'm not too sure what cabana is, but linen I like. If you watch this channel, you'll know I love linen. This is what it looks like. I really like the little pot that it's in. It's glass, and I've been really into my blues this year, so not too sure where I'm going to put this, but yeah, really liked it. Picked up another candle. This one is Limoncello Spritz. This is what it looks like. This one is majorly giving summer vibes and smells, it honestly smells like summer. If you could bottle summer up and put it into a jar, this is probably what you'd get. It smells really good. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this one. This colour scheme doesn't really go with anything else. I'll either keep this or give it away as a gift, but I really like the packaging because it kind of looks like a can with the lid. So it's got like a silicone can top, like that. And yeah, I just thought it was really fun and it smells great as well. Okay, this is giving major summer vibes, so I picked up this cactus. I didn't realise immediately that not only is this an ornament, it's also a little kind of like pampas grass or flower jar. So yeah, I guess you could fill it with water as well, or you could just have dry flowers in. So I'm probably gonna have dried flowers in these and put this in the bathroom because I think it would look really nice. At the moment, the bathroom is completely white. It's gone through so many phases, so many different colours, but now I'm finally satisfied with it being white. I thought that would be quite nice to put in there. It's glass, so on the way home we had to be very gentle with trying to get this home without breaking it, but yeah, it's really thin glass, kind of like shatter glass. This one isn't exactly summer related, but we just got a new white sheet. One's fitted and it's 50% cotton. So yeah, need a new sheet. also got a fitted sheet. Also not super summer related. They did have some summer prints, but I just got some simple microfiber cloths. The last thing I picked up is this really fun bath mat. Again, this is in a cactus shape. It's really thick and really plush, and I thought it was quite cute to go in the bathroom, matching the cactus jar as well. So yeah, really sweet. When you open it up, this is kind of what it looks like here. Those are all the bits that I picked up from Primark this time. Like I said, I was really impressed with the bits that they had in for summer this year. So definitely recommend going to check it out. But that's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.